Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play No Man's Sky on your Android device. Cloud gaming is the key, allowing you to stream the full game directly to your phone or tablet. You will need a stable internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, to ensure a smooth experience. This method opens up the vast universe of No Man's Sky, letting you explore from almost anywhere. It's an incredible way to enjoy this expansive title on the go. To get started, you will need to choose a cloud gaming service. Popular options like Xbox Cloud Gaming and GeForce now both support No Man's Sky. Most of these services require a monthly subscription to access their extensive game libraries. Before committing, always confirm that No Man's Sky is available on your chosen platform. Each service offers unique features, so pick the one that best fits your gaming needs and budget. Setting up your Android device is straightforward. First, ensure your internet speed is robust, ideally at least 25 megabits per second, for a seamless experience. Next, pair a compatible Bluetooth controller. This is crucial for comfortable and precise gameplay. Finally, download and install the Cloud Gaming Services application from your device's App Store. Once installed, you are almost ready to embark on your interstellar journey. With everything set up, simply launch No Man's Sky directly through your cloud gaming application. You might want to adjust some in-game settings for optimal performance and visual quality on your specific device. Experiment with graphics options to find the perfect balance. Now, you are ready to embark on countless adventures, exploring a procedurally generated universe right from your Android phone or tablet. Enjoy the boundless freedom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.